Will President Trump's new tariff plan tank the stock market and your retirement savings with it? That's exactly what one Florida couple feared. John and Lisa Martinez from Sarasota had spent 35 years saving every spare penny. Their 401k had finally grown to $678,000. But when they saw the headlines about Trump's 10% across-the-board tariffs on imports, they didn't just sit back. They made a move most retirees haven't considered, but might want to now. And we'll get to exactly what they did in just a moment. But first, here's why this matters to you right now. Trump's proposed tariff policy is designed to protect American jobs, but economists warn it could also send consumer prices soaring and corporate profits sinking. Translation? That diversified portfolio your advisor keeps telling you is safe? It could take a serious hit, because when tariffs spike, costs go up and Wall Street tends to panic. Goldman Sachs just reported that these tariffs could shave up to 1.2% off S&P 500 earnings next year. And that might sound small until you realize it could mean billions in lost value. Your mutual funds, your index ETFs, your retirement portfolio, they're all in the blast zone. Now back to John and Lisa. They didn't want to guess if the market would rebound. They wanted certainty. So they rolled over a portion of their retirement, $192,000, into a gold IRA. Why? Because gold doesn't move with the market. In fact, it often moves opposite to it. When stocks dive, gold tends to rise. And here's the kicker. While most investors were sweating last year's bank failures and inflation spikes, John and Lisa watched their gold allocation hold strong and even grow in value. They slept at night, knowing their nest egg wasn't riding every dip and tweet of the market. Here's the simple truth. You can't control what President Trump does next. You can't stop inflation or global supply chain shocks or the next wave of interest rate hikes. But you can choose how exposed your life savings are to all of it. A gold IRA isn't some exotic scheme. It's a fully IRS-approved retirement vehicle that lets you move a portion of your existing IRA or 401k into physical gold, real, solid, tangible protection that you can hold in your hand. And the best part? It's tax-deferred, just like your traditional IRA. So here's the big question. If the next tariff hits, or inflation spikes again, or the markets tumble 10% in a week, will you be able to just watch your account balance drop? Or will you have already taken steps to shield your wealth? John and Lisa chose security. You can too. Click the link below to learn how to roll over part of your IRA into physical gold. It's fast, it's easy, and it might be the smartest move you make in this economy. Don't wait for the next crisis to start protecting what took you a lifetime to earn.